alam ko, it was like sa gabi yung flight. I'm an artist, illustrator. Sometimes I work as a TV reporter for the Pro Team. That's why I do those things once in a while. And so, on this trip, yung malaking kakaibahan, I have so much time because it's a backpack trip. It's not one of those 3 days in Hong Kong things. So, my joy talaga is just to draw, and that's what I would do. And this is where I stay, the backpack hostel.
Ako yan. At sa totoo lang, ito pa pero yung gusto kong sabihin, yung ginawa ko to, kaya excited ako. First time kong mag-travel abroad. Kaya, yung parang, di ba, 45,000 ay at least for 3 months. So, grab ka agad. Ano ba? Yun.
So, this was the first time Jethro felt he was
in abroad. Pag-backpacker ka kasi, laging yung look niya sa, kita yung tirahan namin, di ba? Yung parang nasa apartment lang sa Quiapo. So, kailangan ko talagang makakita ng something na kakaiba naman sa nasa abroad kasi, pero hindi nasa condo.
Ngayon, huwag kayong matakot kapag ipapakita namin sa inyo mga hostel na mura na baka iba sa inyo matitiri. Meron naman kayo pagpipilian. Yun nga lang, kami nagtitipid talaga. At wala akong problema talaga sa susurot eh.
Sige naman.
Mamaya, kayo lang magtatanong. So, mula Singapore, papunta kami Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur, at yan ang susunod. Yan yung pinapakita ni Rowen kanina
yes. Pero, ang mali ko dito, pag makita nyo dito, may backpack ako sa harap. Yun ang huwag yung gagawin. Yung dapat, hanggat maaari, isa lang talaga yung backpack. Wala nang extra bags. Dapat pa isa lang.
Sa totoo lang, maganda yung pack dahil nga yung nahihila siya. Alam namin, these things are expensive. Really nice and expensive. But like travel, it's actually an investment. Nung nakita ng ibang backpackers yung bag namin,
mas malaki.
Sabi nung Italiano na babae, sabi niya, I want to steal your bag. Kasi nga, you can drag it. So this is the place we stay in. I like the place. It's very cool. It's very old. But the place, sabi ko, parang mananakawan yata ako dito. So, kinakandado ko yung pintuan. Habang kinakandado ko yung pintuan nahulog sa akin. Ganong klaseng lugar. Have you been a tourist? And then the answer was,
I am not a tourist. I am a traveler.
Oh, traveler. She's a French lady and she stays in an island in Thailand without electricity, without a cell phone. Ang dami-daming mga puti na nagta-travel ng ganito. Kasi hindi namin alam kung bakit mga Asians, not just Filipinos, we don't backpack. And that's the reason why we're doing this tonight, is to share this. And hopefully, maybe one of you can do it.
And next time,
And next year, kayo ang magkakwento at mag-inspire sa iba.
next time.
No, I think there's a guy going to Bali also. So, Thailand, Vientiane. Vientiane, again, drawing ako, magpapayag kami, dahon.
So, ginagawa na namin nun, nagbabike kami para mas makita mo yung, ma-explore mo yung lugar. Tapos pinupuntahan namin, ako lagi muna sa market. So, pinupuntahan ko, market, tapos, minsan, feeling ko nagbe-blend ako, yung hindi na ako pinapansin. Basta huwag ka lang magsasalita. Tapos magbe-blend ka talaga sa Asia, sa mga bansa natin.
Yung Angkor Wat is, you have to see it in your lifetime. It's really amazing.
Oh, yan yung famous scene kay Angelina Jolie sa Tomb Raider.
Yes. And this is what I would do. I would go to a place and just sit in a corner. That's how, for me, to just enjoy myself. And that's why I really enjoy my backpack trip. You have to see it talaga. So from Siem Reap, bus ulit papuntang Phnom Penh, yung capital. And there, nakita namin yung very violent history, the genocide during the Khmer Rouge. We went to the prison. And then from the capital of Cambodia, we went to Vietnam. And we started in Saigon. And then again, this is the backpack district of Saigon.
Ay, nilagay ko.
And then the Chinese, the most helpful, the nicest people on the face of the earth.
Yung nakita, siyempre, ang puti nila. So yun, mukha na talaga kami foreigners. So talagang